Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of word meaning from English to Bangla. I am repeating, our today's topic is word meaning from English to Bangla. This is our fourth lecture and third SW. I am repeating again, this is our fourth lecture and third SW. Students, take your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener. That means all your necessary elements for writing. We'll write the meaning. Look, I have written some words on board. You have to write the meaning in Bangla. Our first word is jar. Jar means in Bangla kolshi. Ko, lo, dantoshoi, roshoikar. Kolshi. Jar means kolshi. Number 2, jug. Jug means Bangla jog. Borgio jog, go. Jug means in Bangla jog. Borgio jog, go, jog. Number 3, plate. Plate means in Bangla thala. Tha akar tha, lo akar la, thala. Plate means in Bangla thala. Tha akar tha, lo akar la, thala. Number 4, cup. Do you know the meaning of cup? Cup means in Bangla pyala. প একার পে, অন্তস্থ আকার আ, লয় আকার লা, পেয়ালা. কাপ means in Bangla পেয়ালা. প একার পে, অন্তস্থ আকার আ, ল আকার লা, পেয়ালা. Fifth number is spoon. Spoon means in Bangla চামচ. চ আকার চা, ম, চ, চামচ. Spoon means in Bangla চামচ. চ আকার চা, ম, চ, চামচ. Now number 6, the word is pan. Pan means in Bangla কড়াই. Pan means in Bangla কড়াই. ক, রয় শূন্য র আকার রা, রস্বই, কড়াই. Pan means in Bangla কড়াই. ক, রয় শূন্য র আকার রস্বই, কড়াই. Number 7, pot. Pot means in Bangla, can you say? পাত্র. প আকার পা, তয় রফলা, পাত্র. Pot means in Bangla পাত্র. Number 8, stove. Stove means, do you know the meaning of stove? Stove means in Bangla চুলা. চ রস্বউকার চু, ল আকার লা, চুলা. Stove means in Bangla চুলা. চ রস্বউকার চু, ল আকার লা, চুলা. Number 9, knife. Knife means in Bangla ছুরি. This is dangerous, right? Knife means ছুরি. ছ রস্বউকার ছু, র রস্বইকার রি, ছুরি. Number 10, saucer. Saucer means, can you say, students? Saucer means pirich. প রস্বইকার পি, র রস্বইকার রি, চ, pirich. Saucer means pirich. Now come to number 11, bowl. Bowl means in Bangla bati. ব আকার বা, ট রস্বইকার টি, bati. Bowl means bati. ব আকার বা, ট রস্বইকার টি, bati. Number 12, fork. Fork means, can you say? Yes, in Bangla it's কাটা চামচ. ক চন্দ্রবিন্দু, আকার, ট আকারটা কাটা, চ আকার চা, ম, চ, কাটা চামচ. Fork means in Bangla kata chamoch. Number 13, glass. Glass means in Bangla kach. Glass means in Bangla kach. The spelling is ko akar ka cho, kach. Now number 14, mug. Mug means in Bangla mog, mo go, mog. Students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be word meaning from English to Bangla number 1 to 5. I have written here your homework is from 1 to 5. That means word meaning 1 to 5. That's all for today. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Your guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies in our school library on every Sunday, and they can collect your copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.